Lamborghini is known for its performance-friendly exotic cars, and we've shown you quite a few. In fact, earlier this year, the company brought the Urus Pearl Capsule Edition, where a milestone moment for the company with over 100 units sold over the past 3 years. But the original range comprising of the Aventador and the Huracan remained as popular as ever. And now the company has expanded its lineup with the new Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider. Well, it's a convertible and open-top experience that everybody likes, especially when it's a Lamborghini. So let's show you what the Huracan Evo Spider is all about.
The new Huracan Evo's rear-wheel drive Spider joins the rear-wheel drive coupe that is already on sale in India. Both models are identical in appearance and get visual tweaks to set it apart from the all-wheel drive version. The differences are subtle, including a new front splitter, bespoke rear diffuser, and a new rear bumper. The clean lines ensure to minimize drag and give the Spider a dynamic appearance. The open top also carries over the all-wheel drive version's twin buttress design at the rear, with a unique diffuser that aids in improving aerodynamic efficiency and downforce. Compared to the coupe, the Huracan Evo Spider is about 120 kilograms heavier due to the structural enhancements made to chop off the roof. It gets a soft top instead that can be raised or lowered in just 17 seconds at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. The cabin remains identical to the coupe. The multifunction steering wheel lets you select between different driving modes, including Strada, Corsa and Sport. It also gets an 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa voice recognition. With respect to performance, the Huracan Evo Spider draws power from the absolutely manic 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine that develops 602 brake horsepower and 560 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Compared to the all-wheel drive sibling, the Spider drops about 30 horses and 40 Nm. The Huracan Evo Spider then sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds, which is 0.2 seconds slower than the rear-wheel drive coupe version, while the top speed is rated at 324 km per hour. With all that power going to the rear wheels, the Huracan Evo Spider comes with a specially tuned performance traction control system for consistent torque delivery. Traction control system brings 30% oversteer enhancement and 20% more power when exiting from corners. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider will set you back by 3 crore and 54 lakh rupees ex-showroom India, which makes it more expensive than the rear-wheel drive coupe. With the new Evo Spider now on sale in India, there are 4 variants of the Huracan to choose from. Customers do have the option to configure the car for cosmetics, features and performance, allowing buyers to get a personalized version right from the factory. Quite the package, we must say, for those who like open-top motoring.